In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about transforming EDI messages. Here we have very basic EDI message. It is just example, has no real data, and it was generated by ChatGPT. I have created another dummy transformation which allows us to see the data easily. So we have number of segments, and you can see the field numbers, etc. So let me walk you through the transformation. So what we want to do here, we want to replace data within field 25 for specific segment. So first thing we do, we get segment using this get field. Just preview to see SA1. So and we are working with SA5. The rest of the basically case property allows us to redirect data flow. So what we're doing here, we redirect SA5 to 1. So when value equal to SA5, number 1 will go to number 1. And the rest of them will go to number 2. We just show select SS5. He's going this one. So next step we do, we get field number 25, the value. Then we go to the lookup, and we get new value using lookup. In this case, it is not working because it is just a dummy. So we don't have any data to actually process. So we go to the lookup, we get new value, and then what we do, we replace it with a new value. So again, we say that from this incoming string, we take field 25 and we replace it with a value from the lookup. And then we combine everything together and pass to the next step, which is writer. Since the way the case works is nothing is assigned, the value get null, we always get just a single string. Short time. See, so we combine empty string with this one, so we basically get the top part only. Okay, another thing I wanted to mention is that we always use the same file name for transformation, and we use this file later in the actual workflow. Let me show you another more complex example. Again, we are working with various segments, but we have much more transformations. So in this case, we have, again, we're using variables. And these variables are created by a previous step, which is validated. Again, we have a case. And if value is equal to S1, it goes to the first one, S2 goes to second, and S7 goes to the third. And after that, everything goes to step number 4. Okay, and again, it works the same principle. We get value from the string. This, for example, the first one, we replace field number 4 with value of this variable. Again, we use concatenate, and we get the result. Another one, the next one is the same approach. In this case, for the segment, I don't remember the name, we replace in field number 12. And this one is much more complex example. We're using lookup, and we are replacing multiple fields. So replacing 17, 18, and 19. And again, we combine everything together and pass it to the next step. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it is not too complicated. Please like and subscribe. And if you want us to help you with your transformation needs, please feel free to contact us, and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.